Hi guys, today we've got new fidget spinners, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like for more. If you want to get more, you have to give me 1,000 likes and I'll get more fidget spinners. Pretend you've never seen that. Okay. And yeah. Like, if you like these, like the button and subscribe and press the bell button. Okay. So guys, today, I think you've seen it on the episode, you just seen it, but we've got new fidget spinners. So, I found these, and look at this. See, look. Isn't that cool? Did you like that? Give this episode a big like button, and then that's the back. That's the front, what you just seen. And then this is, and then I'll show you how you spin it. Oops. Isn't this good? Did you think this? Oh, did you think this is good? Like my video. Ew. Look, guys. Ow. Oh, sorry. Like, my head. If you want me to get a sharp one, I want to get a sharp one. Comment below if you want to do it, like cut myself as I can. And then here is the gold one. I don't know which size the front, but he's gold. Okay, well, it looks like I'm spinning. Oh, can you see the reflect? Can't you? Can you see the reflect? See there? Can you see the reflect? It's like the shiny. Isn't that cool? And then wait there, guys. Oops, I'm running. See? So guys, thank you for watching this episode. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like my button, and you like these two fidget spinners, these two, and this one. Please like this episode, and if you want me to get a short one and put on my neck, give me 1,000 likes. Yeah. Oh guys, guess what I've done to my box? Not that. It says Layton. It says, can you read that? It says Layton. No, maybe that, isn't it? That's my jewelry. And then here, oh, here it says look. See the arc. And then it's like a gem. See, it's my special gem. That always gives me good luck. But yeah, but if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like for more, and comment below which yours the best, and yeah, press the bell button. Chicky snap.